Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today we start our Christmas and holiday card series. So let's get started. So here I have my first bag of easy 3D toppers by Hardy Crafts. These are the Christmas mousses and there are 10 to a bag. And we're going to go through them quickly. These are so adorable, almost like cartoon characters. Now, let's see how big they are. So they're about 3 inches by 2.5. So pretty good size. And each bag has 3 steps. So there is the base piece. And then you also have 2 toppers that you can lay on with the foam pads to bring in some dimensions to your cards. Here's the mousse with the snowman and with a Christmas tree. These are super adorable. Here's Santa and 2 mousses. The artwork is just impeccable with a little angel. When I saw these, I was like, oh my god, I gotta have these. I mean, check these out, how super cute they are. Okay, so I made a couple of cards, and here is my first card. Now this card blank came from this card pack I found last year. It is called Sternenzauber, which is German, and it means magic stars. And these cards have this movement in them. See, that's printed on there. There are 10 cards to this pack. They come in 5 different colors, and all of them have this beautiful star movement on there. And what you can see is when you use this card, you really don't need anything else. I just added the card topper and 5 pieces of little bling, and that's it. So I am really a big fan of quick cards. So this is a very quick card. It takes you minutes to make them, but look at the impact. And I think the embellishment does it all. So this would be my first card I made with this pack, and here is my second one. Same idea. We have this cute little reindeer carrying a gift bag, a few pieces of bling, and that's it. So 2 super cute cards that I think anybody would love to get. I still have to put in, I wasn't sure what I'm gonna say, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. These also make cute cards for people that not necessarily celebrate Christmas, so I left that blank right now, and we'll see what I'm gonna add to those cards. But even if you don't have any greeting and just open up and put in your sentiments, that will be great. So these are my first 2 cards, the super cute mousses. So here I have the Easy 3D Toppers Ladybug in Winter. So look at these cute little ladybugs. Normally you wouldn't think of a ladybug as a Christmas embellishment, but this artwork is super adorable and makes beautiful Christmas card toppers. Well, here sometimes you cannot see it well because there are 3 steps in each bag, but this one obviously is with a Christmas tree. Here we have a cute little ladybug with a snowman, cup of cocoa, and a cookie on skates. Look at how cute this is. A ladybug on skates. OMG. Then we have one with a gingerbread heart. So you get the idea. And I made a card with this cute ladybug on skis and all bundled up with his head on and the scarf around, skiing down the hill. I added a sentiment, season's greetings, a little bit of background paper, and a little bit of bling. Now these ladybugs come lightly glittered. Some of these 3D embellishments are glittered, some of them are foiled some don't come with anything, but this pack, the Ladybugs in Winter, are lightly glittered, so I didn't have to add my own stickles. This card with this beautiful cut edge I have in my store, and I'm gonna link it below. So this is my first card, and then I made a second card with this cute ladybug coming out of a Christmas wreath. I thought it was so adorable. Again, I just added some of my paper I have in my stash. The greeting, Happy Christmas, comes from Papercrafts, and it has greetings in different fonts in green and red. So Happy Christmas, die cut sentiments, and look how cute it is. And they're small enough, they also work great on tags. Yeah, so my super adorable ladybugs in winter. So, and my last items are these super cute penguins, also like cartoon characters. There are two different versions of cute penguins. Here is my first bag, and you see how cute they are. All have hats on, and they're on skates or on the ice. And this is the second one. These are the Christmas penguins, and here even with the penguin with the snowman on a sleigh, girl and boy. So these are the cute little penguins, and I made this card. Now, as you can see, it doesn't take much. The embellishment really does it all. And I added a couple of cards from, I still have a couple in my store. This is Santa Baby. That was last year, Frank Garcia, and Santa Baby had these cute cards which I added as background embellishments, and then those snowflakes are also in the Santa Baby line. I'm gonna link these below, but then I added some bling, and with my stickles I just outlined those cards to give it a little bit of extra sparkle. And this is my beautiful penguiny, and the warm wishes, of course, is part of the card, so the sentiment is already there. So this was my first part of several parts to come, all about Christmas and holiday cards. I hope you like these cute embellishments. They make beautiful cards. Also, because you have asked and encouraged me, I will be selling some of my cards as card packs of 5 on my website, so check it out. It's always just one of a kind because I don't mass produce. These are just a few cards that I have over. I do send out my cards to friends and family. I also give them away as gifts, but I make so many cards that I can also offer some card packs. I have it on my website and I link it below. But I hope that you, of course, will do your own cards, and if so, then join us on our Facebook group, European Papercrafts Friends, where you can upload your cards and other Christmas projects or holiday projects that you have. I would love to see what my customers create. So thank you again for spending time with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!